I could not, unfortunately, join you in Rome this year, but I wanted to take this opportunity to share a few words with you 1 year after the launch of the Finance in Common initiative. Last year in Paris, with my friend Rémi Rioux and across the globe online, we underlined the crucial role public banks and financial institutions have to play to build a resilient economy, to successfully face the COVID-19 crisis by supporting recovery plans at national and continental levels. And above all, to foster the massive investments we need to address climate change and to ensure the transition to a greener and fairer economy. Both issues demand quick action and a capacity to sustain the real economy in the long run through efficient projects and business funding. Debt alone is not sufficient to help business grow. And the projects and solutions that we need to achieve the green transition require massive equity financing. There is a need for equity and the need for financial institutions ready to share the risks. In my view, this is our first duty as public development banks. As I explained during our last summit, Caisse des Dépôts Group committed over 26 billion euro in equity over the next 5 years to support the sectors that were heavily impacted by the lockdown and sanitary measures, while remaining on track with our ambition to promote sustainable and inclusive development with a strong focus on the ecological transition through a massive climate plan with Bpifrance, our joint venture with the French state. 1 year later, we have already injected over 10 billion euros in the French economy, representing 40% of our overall target. Achieving an effective economic recovery and promoting ecological transition at a global scale is no easy task, and it cannot be carried out alone. As public banks and financial institutions, we have the capacity to trigger such a cooperation by promoting joint action between ourselves and with the private sector. It also requires cooperation at international level, for instance, through the Net Zero Alliance. Alongside the founding members, Caisse des Dépôts aim to accelerate toward carbon neutrality in asset management globally. By reaffirming public development banks' commitment to act together to build a stronger future, the second Finance in Common Summit is an important step forward. I would like to thank all of the organizers, especially Dario Scannapieco and Rémi Rioux, and to offer my continued support to this initiative. Thank you very much for your attention.